SmartClean washer for Trident Microfiber. It's simple and easy to install and use the Hilliard SmartClean washer for your Trident microfiber products. Just plug the SmartClean into a standard grounded 110-volt electrical outlet. Make sure the black ring washer inside the connector is properly in place. Screw the fitting onto the top of the water inlet, which will come from your water supply. Secure the fitting hand tight. Continue by screwing the second water connection fitting onto the water faucet, again making sure the ring washer is properly in place, then securing this fitting with pliers. If the water source is also used as a source for water to fill buckets as part of a chemical dilution device or any other need, you can use a Y control device to allow the water source to be split, rather than switching back and forth for each application. Adjust the hose inside the plastic holder to make sure the fit is tight, and the hose will not work itself loose and fall into the floor. Place the water outlet either inside the sink, along the sink, or next to the floor drain. You should secure the hose inside holder with a screw to the wall to ensure it will remain secure. The water temperature is controlled by adjusting both hot and cold at the water source. Hot water is always recommended, but never above 190 degrees. The detergent dispenser is located inside the SmartClean on the back side of the drum. Pull it out to fill, then make sure it is slid back into place prior to operating the machine. Use Hilliard's detergent in the correct dilution based on the size of the load. See the container label for dilution directions. And remember, never use chlorine bleach or fabric softener when washing Trident microfiber. The lint filter is located on the right side of the machine. It is removed by pulling it up and out from its holding slot. Because microfiber removes an abundance of soil, hair, and other contaminants, the filter will fill frequently, so it should be checked and cleaned after each use, pulling the debris and rinsing out the filter. Always wash Trident microfiber floor mops separately from microfiber cleaning cloths, as floor mops typically have a much higher amount of soil and contain harsher chemicals. Never process any cotton mops, rags, or towels with your microfiber products, and never process your microfiber in mesh bags or pillowcases. It is not recommended to wash heavy looped wet mops, looped or cut-end wet mops in the SmartClean due to possible damage from the excess weight of these mop heads and imbalance they can cause when the machine goes into its high-speed extraction cycle. The recommended maximum load capacity for 18-inch floor mops is 25, 50 for 16 by 16-inch cloths, and 80 for 12 by 12-inch cloths. Switch on the power supply. The fuzzy indicator will light. Leave the program selected to fuzzy or choose a different program. If you want to delay the wash, use the delay button. Choose the desired function. Then choose the appropriate water level by pressing the water level button. Add detergent according to load size. Start the machine by pressing the Start/Pause button. Trident microfiber mops and cloths do not require to be machine dried. They can be placed back into the Trident pre-treat buckets, pre-treated with the appropriate chemical, and then brought right back into service. If the microfiber is not pretreated and placed back into service, it should be machine dried, no hotter than 140 degrees, or placed in open air to dry.